Welcome back to Instabot. Today I'm going to show you how to edit a bot that's already been published. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the bot management page in your account and locate the bot that you're interested in making changes to. Once you found it, click Edit Bot, which will open up the Bot Builder menu where you can make any changes that you'd like to your bot. In order to make a change, you'll need to find the node that you want to modify. And at the top, you can modify any of the text that the bot will say, whereas at the bottom, you'll be modifying any responses that the user would give. So in this case, the bot will be asking, what can I help you with? And the user can choose from one of these 4 options. If you want to add an additional option, simply type it in and click Update Node. You'll see right away another branch will appear, and there will be a red triangle with an exclamation point letting you know that the bot doesn't know what to do if the user selects option 5. So in this case, I either need to tell it to add another node, to close the bot, or to add an action like looping to an existing part of the conversation or navigating to an external URL. If you want to delete any options, simply go back into the choices, click X, and update node again, and the option will be gone. Be careful when you do that though, because you'll delete the entire node path if you had more nodes after that. If you want to insert any images into your bot, you can use our image insertion here. You can also use emojis or dynamic text in the course of your conversation. The other thing you'll want to watch out for is make sure that there's no errors showing in the top right-hand corner. If I open up another option, for example, there'll be an exclamation point here letting me know that there's at least one incomplete node. And you can always click on here to see exactly which nodes are causing you a problem and get rid of them, or tell the bot what to do next. Then you should be all good to go. Navigate next to your trigger settings to make sure that everything looks exactly how you want. By default, you'll be set up to use our most highly performing deployment model, which is a persistent button that also includes a small teaser message. But feel free to make any changes that you'd like throughout the trigger settings. Next, you can modify the appearance of your bot in the Appearance tab. So this can be done either by simply changing the main avatar, which is this image right here, and the primary color, or if you really want to, you can modify more specific parts of the look and feel down here, including the persistent button. If this option is grayed out on your account, that's because this feature is only available in the standard tier and above. If you're interested in accessing this, please just let your sales rep know or email help@instabot.io and we can help you get set up. The next thing you'll want to do is configure your alerts if you haven't done so already. Make sure that these are turned on if you would like to receive email alerts, and we also recommend switching to goal completions every time a user completes a specific goal. This will allow your team to be notified anytime somebody achieves a specific part of the conversation, and you can notify different teams if different goals should be routed differently. The last thing you need to do, let's turn these off, is go back to your deploy page. On this page, you'll find the JavaScript snippet that you need to insert the code into your site. You can find more information on this in our video on how to put Instabot on your page, depending on which deployment method you're using. And that's it. Simply publish your bot, make sure everything looks good, click Confirm, and your bot will be updated. You'll be able to see also any analytics that are going on across any of the bots in your account, or navigate back to bot management if you need to make additional changes. As always, if you have any questions, let us know and we'd be happy to help. Thanks.